Hope everything's going well this holiday season for you. I'm Danny here at American River Ace Hardware, and today we'll be going over a good little tip for installing the front folding shelf on your Traeger grill. And stick around to the end of the video to get your special promotion. So we'll be starting this off with taking the 4 screws off the side of the barrel, 2 on this side, and then 2 on the opposite side there. You're sure to save the screws in a safe spot. You don't want to lose them. You'll find 2 brackets inside, one marked right, one marked left. It is the direction you're facing your grill, so the right side will be your right. And there's 2 screws in each bag, the shoulder bolts. Let's go ahead and set these aside. All right. Then to start, on this top lip right here, this will be the top. Go ahead and install one of the shoulder bolts into that to start off with. Just hand tight's all right for now. So do that first. Then grab a couple of your screws. The one that says right will be on the right. Then you want to hand start these in here. Holding slight pressure up on this and tighten these guys. And then that way when we do the other side, this will be perfectly level. So when you put the shelf on, it'll sit flush in there real tight. And we're repeating the same on this side. So slight pressure up. And that's that. We'll be taking the shelf out at this point. Then you just have to grab one more of those shoulder bolts that came with. So it has this one cutout. This is going to be where the top is. So you're just going to rest it into that. And the other side's going to rest in there. At this point, doing it by yourself, you can hold it by yourself right here. And on this side, this allows you to let it go without it tilting sideways, which I've seen and they damage the corners of. So then, get your other screw, your last screw in here. Get the shoulder past the shelf, and then you want to hold pressure coming out on this and tighten those up pretty well. And now we know it's perfectly level so that when we fold it up, it locks in on both sides. One side's not latched. I've seen that, and if you put anything heavy on it, it can bend it down because it's not secured in properly. So that's how you want to install the front folding shelf on a Traeger. I appreciate you watching our video of how to install a front folding shelf on your Traeger grill. If you come in and say Danny's Traeger promo, with a purchase of a front shelf, you will receive a 20-pound bag of Traeger pellets of your choice. Anyway, have a happy holidays, and hope to see you around. Thank you.